Looking for the perfect kitchen gift that people will actually use and love? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down some of the best kitchen gift ideas that are practical, stylish, and perfect for birthdays, holidays, housewarmings, or any special occasion, whether you're shopping for a home chef, a coffee lover, or someone who simply enjoys spending time in the kitchen. We've got something they'll appreciate. Be sure to check the product links in the description to see today's prices, read customer reviews, and learn more about each item. And if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing Amazon finds and gift ideas. Let's get started. Product 5, Stainless Steel Mixing Bowls Set. A kitchen bowl set that acts like a prep station. Lift the lid, ingredients stay fresh, secure, and spill-free. Snap on the center cap for splash-free blending. Slice, shred, or grate straight into the bowl. 3 grater attachments turn prep into a faster rhythm. No extra cutting board, no mess, no wasted motion. The silicone base grips the counter like a pro. Mix harder. These bowls stay steady, not skating away. 6 sizes stack neatly from 1QT to 7Q2. Nested storage keeps your cabinets clean and organized. Stainless steel feels durable, sleek, and built to last. Mirrored interiors make cleanup quick and effortless. Included tools complete your everyday baking and prep routine. Store, mix, serve, and organize all in one set. Upgrade your kitchen with smart style and serious function. Check the link in the description to see today's price and learn more about this product. Product 4, Silicone Spoon Rest for Kitchen. I used to juggle spoons, spatulas, and messy sauce everywhere. Every counter after dinner looked like a total disaster zone. Oil dripped, utensils slipped, and cooking felt way too stressful. Then I spotted this Zule kitchen spoon rest online. Honestly, the sleek square design instantly grabbed my attention. 4 utensil slots? That was the game-changing detail for me. I needed something to hold everything without crowding my stove. This silicone holder catches drips before they hit surfaces. Raised edges keep mess contained even during messy multitasking. It sits steady, heat-resistant, and never slides around. Now my spoons, tongs, and spatulas stay organized together. Cleanup is ridiculously easy. Just rinse or toss it dishwasher safe. No more paper towels, no more chaotic countertops. Ever. If you cook often, why are you still tolerating mess? Tap the product link in the description to check the latest price and explore all the features. Product 3, Indoor Electric S'mores Maker, Friday night. The living room glows with movie night excitement. Kids settle in, blankets ready, eyes searching for the perfect treat. Then comes a surprise, a tabletop s'mores maker appears. Its warm brown design feels nostalgic, like summer memories indoors. An electric flameless heater waits quietly at the center. No fire, no smoke, just simple plug-in dessert magic. 4 organized trays hold crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows neatly. Everything stays within reach, making the setup feel effortless. 2 stainless steel forks invite everyone into the fun. Each marshmallow turns slowly, shimmering into a golden brown. The room fills with laughter, anticipation, and sweet aromas. Melty chocolate and soft marshmallow meet crisp graham crackers. Dinner becomes dessert theater, and every guest wants another bite. Cleanup is easy, thanks to the durable, disassembled design. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to view today's deal and full product details. Product 2, KitchenAid Food Chopper. Dinner panic hits. Fresh ingredients scattered, time slipping away. Garlic, herbs, and veggies mock my desperate hands. I feared another bland meal and another messy cleanup. Then I spotted the tiny pistachio hero on my counter. KitchenAid's 3.5 cup chopper, small but dangerously powerful. I dropped in fruits, vegetables, and herbs in seconds. 2 speeds and pulse transformed chaos into perfect texture. Chunky salsa, smooth hummus. It handled both like a champion. The drizzle basin even welcomed oil, cream, and dressings. Mayonnaise, sauces, condiments. Suddenly, restaurant magic felt effortless. Its locking blade poured cleanly with no frightening spills. The dishwasher safe bowl saved me from post-dinner disaster. Compact design tucked away neatly, without stealing precious space. Now every meal prep feels faster, fresher, and fearless. KitchenAid 3.5 cup food chopper. Want to know more? Visit the product link in the description for the latest price and complete information. Product 1. Vegetable chopper with container. Dinner prep used to leave me crying over endless onions. My cutting board was always messy, slow, and frustrating. I needed speed, but hand chopping took forever. Then I stumbled on the Mueller Home Pro Series chopper. Honestly, it looked like a serious kitchen upgrade. The 8 ultra-sharp blades instantly grabbed my attention. One tool slices, dices, minces, grates, and shreds. That means fewer gadgets cluttering my countertop. I tried it on onions, peppers, and tomatoes. Boom! Perfect cuts in seconds with way less mess. The container catches everything, so cleanup feels effortless. It's dishwasher safe, which saves even more precious time. Ready to upgrade? Click the product link in the description to see the current price and get all the details. Enjoyed this? Like, comment, and subscribe for more.